Alright y'all, Bubba here again. I had planned on doing a pretty cool video about some pine pitch, making some glue out of a few things that are pretty common, especially if you're ever in the woods or messing with other stuff. But it has rained almost every single day after work for about a week now. So today's video is going to be about vehicle maintenance. Now we all like going places and doing things. You got to be able to get there. Some of y'all got nice vehicles, newer vehicles. I don't. Some of us drive older beat up trucks. This is my baby. This is my truck. Right here you got a 1997 Z71. It's my baby. Got 357,000 miles on it. She ain't the prettiest thing, but she'll get there. By the way, this right here, there's a matching one on the other side. I was there from my little brother Steven. Thanks, Steven. Cool story how those got there. Hey bro, let me borrow your truck. 400 stuck out there on a sandbar. Alright. Met his old lady. Said, whatever you do, don't mess up my truck. I know that trail, it's real thin. It's made for side-by-sides, not pickups. Get the truck back, there's two matching dents in my doors. Hit one tree, bounced off of it, hit the other. Thanks, little brother, I appreciate it. But on that note, he has helped me maintain this truck. Because when your vehicle gets to this many miles and it gets that old, or just the fact that you run your vehicle, a lot of times we travel 2-3 hours to go to places to camp, hike, hunt, fish, do whatever we do. The Georgia Bushcraft event, it's right at 2 hours now. It used to be over 2 hours, but since they put that bypass in, it's right at 2 hours. So I got to drive my truck 2 hours to go there. I want to go up to North Georgia, that's 3 hours. I want to go to the beach, 3 hours. I want to go down to Florida, there's some real nice camping places, 3 hour minimum. So I want to dedicate this video to all the local law enforcement who keep reminding me that my headlight and my tail lights are out. I appreciate y'all. I didn't know. Yeah, I did. So this brings me to the video. Maintain your vehicle. You want to go on a long ride, check your oil. Hell, even in new vehicles. Check your oil, check your transmission fluid, check your brake fluid, check your coolant. If it's got a fluid, check it. Check your tires. If your tires are bald, we call them may pops. They may pop now, they may pop later. Either way, they're going to pop. These white bugs are killer down here. So make sure you maintain your vehicle. What I've done today is I changed the lights. Excuse me, I'm sweating to death. I changed the headlight and the tail light on my truck. Before I thought about making a video about this, I already done the headlight. So I got new headlights. Can't tell it, just changed the bulb. This ain't one of them new fancy vehicles where you got to replace the whole lens. But before I decided to put my tail lights together, I figured I'd make this video. So in case you own a 90-something Chevy, I'm going to show you or tell you real quick how to do this part. Got to drop your tailgate. Once you drop your tailgate, inside are a couple screws right there. You take those apart, and what happens is, once you take those apart, your lens will slide out. See there, unhook the cable, boom, it comes apart. Once you unhook it, on these old Chevys, you got this piece that hangs out right here. You see that? Got two small screws. What size were they? 1/4 inch screws. Take those apart. It'll slide out. There's your little rubber thing there, your seal. Change the bulb. Look at all that nasty stuff. All that's from plug grease. Once you pull these bulbs out, you can put in the new ones and put it all back together. There's 4 screws. Pretty simple job. But it brings me back to the point of this video. Maintain your vehicle. A lot of folks, they just get in their vehicle and they drive. They go here and yon and they don't think about it. Now, if your vehicle's newer and you got a maintenance plan on your vehicle, use it. If you get a free oil change every 3,000-5,000 miles, do it. But before you take off, the main thing I want to tell you, I ain't gonna drag this video out, is check your fluids. Check your tires. Look at that bee. Ooh. Gone. But make sure your vehicle's up to par. Now, I've thought a lot about vehicles over the years. I like my Z71. It's a good truck, runs good. This one must have been built on a Tuesday because there ain't a whole lot wrong with it. And what does go wrong is cheap to replace. And I've been running this truck for a long time. I've thought about getting like a 4Runner like my brother's got, or maybe a Land Cruiser or something like that. I like them old Land Cruisers for going down the trails. It's a lot easier. Bill Reese, he's got a nice little Jeep and he can get them things down them little windy roads back in the bushes somewhere. And my truck, we're gonna go through the bushes. I can't make them sharp turns, but maybe one day I'll get me like a Land Rover or something. I like those. But like I said, so we're gonna put this tail light back together. Everything that you can do to keep your truck in good shape, you should do it. Better lights, go with the, I know it costs money, go with the higher brand of lights, wider lights. Don't go off and be one of them jackwads that buys those really expensive lights that blinds everybody, whether they're on brights or not. Don't be that guy. Just don't be that guy. Buy the good ones, buy the brighter ones, but don't be that guy that buys the ones that blinds everybody from here to Tennessee. Ain't necessary. But so I'm going to grab these tools. First, I'm going to pause for the calls right quick. Y'all ready? Oh, I'm gonna grab these tools. I always keep a bag of tools with random stuff, screwdrivers, vice grips, just random things, and I keep one of these tool kits right here. It's just an easy ratchet set. It's got standards and metrics, got a couple extensions, got a few different things I've added in there, spark plugs and whatnot. But I always keep a little bag of tools in my truck just in case something happens while I'm on the road. And you should clean your truck. So if you just saw the back of my truck, I apologize. I don't clean the back out a whole lot. I probably should. Only time I clean the back of my truck out is when it's time to go somewhere. But I reckon that's all I got to say about that. Y'all do me a favor, like it, subscribe it. I think it's down here somewhere. Hit that bell. That'll let you know when I post something. Tell your buddies, share it around. You know, God bless. Y'all have a wonderful weekend. And got any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll get back to them as soon as I can, and if I don't, make another comment. It'll pop up on my phone, and I'll go on there and take care of it. But I know this ain't related to most of the things I talk to, but it's something that needs to be done. Keep up with your vehicle, and it won't leave you on the side of the road, and you'll be able to get to those places where you want to go camping, hiking, and fishing, and hunting, and whatever it is you like to do, even if it's just walking in a park. Make sure you take care of your vehicles and get where you need to go. All right, y'all. God bless. Take care now. Bye.